Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review with the Sensational Vice Unit 12. It's a headband styled color wig. Already been reviewed a million times, I know, but this is actually for a Valentine's Day look. I'm first doing an anti-Valentine's Day look, and the next one will be a sweetheart Valentine's Day look. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you love synthetic wig installs and reviews, stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. I'm trying something different this time. I actually sectioned out the baby hairs and then did my plucking. That way my baby hairs can be full. I did want to go with some thick baby hairs this time because I'm giving like this kind of a hoochie mama look, you know, with the baby hairs, the red hair, the long fingernails, gold plated necklace and whatnot. Trying to give this like, you know, F-dudes type of feel, like I'm gonna do me strong independent woman type of look. Okay. While I'm showing you the install, go ahead and check out some links I dropped in the description box. There will be a link to my Instagram and my TikTok where you can see more looks and more videos. I also have my beauty brand page, 1111 Beauty, posted in there, so you can check out that Instagram, as well as the website where you can purchase real 100% mink lashes and other accessories. I also have the website that I created where I'm selling wigs that I've reviewed and wigs I just haven't opened and I just don't plan on reviewing. So if you want to purchase some wigs at a discount, you can go over there too. That will be tonyam.bigcartel.com. Yeah, so at this portion, I'm just sizing the wigs to match my hair or my head, cutting the lace off around the ears. That helps to lay the lace better and help it melt better. I'm kind of difficult. It's difficult here doing it. I'm doing it in the mirror behind the camera as well as the camera. But once you do that, you just want to like cut the lace in 3 sections. It's easier to lay it in 3 sections. It's more of a flawless finish. And I just use, for T-part wigs, I usually just use my Ebin lace holding spray in the black can. That's the best spray. For extra security, I spray it directly on my skin around my edges first in each section, and then once the lace is like pressed in my skin with my rat tail comb, I then spray the spray on the outside also, and then I blow dry it. I don't show the blow drying method here, but you definitely want to use a blow dry on cool setting. It helps for the spray adhesive to dry faster. And then you can just cut it off, the lace off. Once you cut the lace off, there will be the edges will lift a little. So it's good to take the spray again with your finger, just rub a little bit on there and then blow dry it again. This helps the lace to melt flawlessly in your skin. So when you see somebody with a flawless melt, this part is definitely needed. So pay attention, okay? See how once I apply it, it just melts. You don't want to spray it directly from the nozzle because then your lace will start lifting because it's too wet. So I'm just creating the baby hairs that I talked about here. They are touching my eyebrows. Don't come for me, okay, guys? That's because I had to pull the wig down further onto my head so the hairline of the wig can come before my natural hairline. That said, this wig is not big head friendly and it's definitely not low hairline friendly. But I made it work. It doesn't look too bad, although it does kind of like look like, damn, like your forehead is only 2 inches wide. But it's cool. It's cool. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let y'all watch the rest. I'm just basically laying my baby hairs with some foaming mousse and the Got To Be glued hair gel in the black tube. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, stay tuned for my full review at the end. Stay blessed, guys. Bye. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the install portion of the video. Thank you for watching the video if you made it here so far. Just to go ahead and with the details of the wig. Again, this is from Sensational, part of their Vice unit collection. Some of the features of the Vice Unit 12 is that it has pre-plucked hairline, natural density, baby hairs, HD lace. It is a T-part wig, premium fiber, heat safe up to 400 degrees. And I got her in the gorgeous color headband highlight red/1. So that's this beautiful deep red color. It has a lot of highlights of like lighter reds, and then the burgundy red with the headband highlight of black, or 1B. Yeah, I love the other color that it comes in. This pattern is so gorgeous. I love the curls in the front, and then in the back it's really long, but it has like a wave, like, and then it goes kind of straight. Yeah. I kind of recorded like a anti-Valentine's Day look. So the outfit, you can head over to my TikTok and you can see my anti-Valentine's Day look all together. I will be posting pictures on my Instagram soon, so you can go to my Instagram. Yeah, so this wig was easy. I didn't really customize too much. I did pluck a little bit right here, but I wanted to do like a lot of baby hairs. I wanted to be this real like hoochie mama look. And I think it came all together with the red hair, the extra baby hairs, the black lips, the hoop earring, the name necklace, or this says Virgo, the long fingernails, the long extravagant fingernails. So I really pulled this look together. Absolutely in love. Skirt is a little short. That's not even a part of this video, so don't even worry about it. Yeah, anyways, so I really like this wig. Definitely recommend. I am late to the party. I know a lot of people have already reviewed this unit. I definitely late to the party, but hop on this if you haven't gotten it yet. If you've been second guessing it, hop on this unit. I'm actually thinking about getting more colors. I was thinking about the copper one, and even the pink and black one. That's the copper, that's the pink and black. Those are really cute too. I would definitely wouldn't mind getting it. I'm glad I got this color. It's really cute. Not really much to say about it. She's a normal C-part unit. If y'all have ever worn one of the Vice units before, y'all know how they are. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit my beauty brand website at lover11beauty.bigcartel.com. And also, if you want to purchase any wigs that I have for sale, like the big name brand Sensational, Bobby Boss, Outre, etc., go to tonyam.bigcartel.com to make your purchase. And thank you for those lovely viewers who have already made their purchases. If you have any other questions, comment down below. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Other than that, thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye.